Hey, what is going on everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you a demo of Stellar Video Repair Tool for Windows. Before I start, a special shout out to Stellar for helping make this video happen. Stellar Repair for Video is a software that allows the user to repair clips of all major file formats that work in Windows, including MP4 and MOV. Video corruption would usually occur due to system crashes, exporting errors in editing software, or simple file transfer failures. In my case, I will be using this program to repair corrupted raw footage from my camera, which I've filmed for previous videos. So it's very simple, you can just either drag and drop, or in my case, we're just gonna click on the add videos. We're gonna go to where the corrupted video file is. So this is supposed to be a charging animation for the Google Pixel 3. And we're gonna press repair. So this may take a while depending on the video's file size, of course. So now that the initial repair process is complete, it's going to require an advanced repair. So we're going to go to advanced repair, and this is the option to repair severely damaged videos. So we'll press next. And then we got a sample video from my same camera, which we're going to use. So we're going to press repair. So now it's doing the advanced repair process. For reference, I filmed these two videos on the same camera at 4K 25 FPS. So now that the repair process is complete, we're going to save our repaired files at the source location. So we're going to videos, and we now have a repaired folder with our file. So we're opening it up in Media Player. As you can see, the animation is pretty smooth, so that means the repair would have worked for this particular video. So now let's try a second video to repair. So we'll add videos. We're going back into Corrupted, and we're going to pick the Windows 2.0 video that I have. So we'll press repair. So we're going to do an advanced repair for this one. And we'll use the same sample video that we used for the first time. So now that the repair process is complete, we'll save the repaired file at the source location as well. So now we can see how the repaired video will look. Looks like it's visually working, evidently. Repair one more video. So we're going to Corrupted, and we're going to convert the Windows 10 startup one. So once again, we'll be doing an advanced repair. We'll save it at the source location. Now let's see the final result for that video. Windows 10 startup. So as you can see, the animation does appear to work fine in this repaired video. So there you have it. This is a demo of Stellar Repair for Video. Thank you all for watching, and see you all in my next video.